Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A very warm welcome to all the Rasikas who tuned in for today's episode of Madhura Margari, an initiative by Angataranga to evoke the spirit of Margari in Singapore. The month of Margari is an auspicious month and encompasses a lot of festivals and events. Margari month starts from mid-December to mid-January. Margari festivals have many classical performances, and this whole month is a very festive one. Music, dance, and art channels divinity. This month of Margari is an occasion to commemorate the divine nuptial of Saint Andal with Lord Vishnu after a month-long Margari Vratam or Vav. Here we are to experience the spirituality and culture through Natya. Let us sit back and experience the overwhelming Shringara Bhakti that our featured artists express through their dance repertoire for today and for the weeks to come.
Nizari mapa, rima pani, mapa ni risa. Nizari mapa, rima pani, mapa ni risa. Rima pani, tadikitum. Nizari mapa, rima pani, mapa ni risa. Takadiku, takatadikitatum. Nizari mapa, rima pani, mapa ni risa. Nizani, mapa ma, nizani, sari sari mari, mapa mapa ni pani sari pani mapa.
Takadim, takajam, takadim, 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 tatum.
Num dum tadanata, num tadana num tadanata, num tadana num tadanata, num tadana num tadanata, num tadana num.
It gives us immense pleasure to welcome our artists for this blissful Margari evening. Sunena Gupta, an amazing Kathak artist who we always look up to for her efforts in creating art with a purpose. A visionary artist who touches the soul of Rasikas by profound depths. Sunena Gupta is a senior disciple of Guru Mullah Afsar Khan at the Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society. She has been training in Kathak for over 15 years now. In 2016, Sunena received her Kathak diploma, the Natya Visharad Best Student Title Award, and notably, she was the first student in Singapore to complete a Kathak Manch Pravesh from 2018 to 2020. Sunena directed and toured Umeed, Colors of Hope, a dance theatre production about mental health awareness on 15 prestigious international platforms, including New York, San Francisco, London, Singapore, and numerous cities in India. During Singapore's COVID-19 circuit breaker, throughout May 2020, Sunena curated a 5-week digital dance series called Shukran, Heartfelt Gratitude, in order to bring Indian classical dancers together to raise funds and awareness for Singapore's migrant workers affected by the pandemic. Apart from being a dancer, Sunena works full-time as a public policy analyst and is a mental health advocate. She is passionate about combining these aspects of her life with her dance career by encouraging other artists to use their platforms to convey social messages through traditional art and to continue to spread art as a form of mental well-being. She is all set to dazzle this Margari evening with her performance for Barsan Lage. Sunena will be performing a Kathak Khajri, which is a Tumri song related to rain. The piece is titled Barsan Lage and sung by Girija Devi and Ravi Kichlu. In this piece, Sunena enacts the role of two lovers. With each verse, she alternates between the two characters. The Nayika wants to go outside and immerse herself in the atmosphere of monsoon season, while her lover tries to convince her to stay inside, attempting to appease her mind. The beauty and specialty of this piece is such that the Khajri has only one line sung repeatedly in different expressions, but through this, Sunena tells us her entire story. This shows us how those in love compare the raindrops to the sound of anklets and the thunder to the sounds of a dole.
बरसन लागी बदरिया रूम झूम के 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 बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया बरसन लागी बदरिया बरसन लागी बदरिया बरसन लागी बदरिया रूम झूम के बरसन लागी लागी बदरिया बरसन बरसन लागी बदरिया रूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया रूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया बरसन लागी बरसन लागी बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया झूम झूम के बरसन लागी बदरिया गरजे बिजली चमके बादल गरजे बादल गरजे बादल गरजे बादल गरजे बिजली चमके बादल गरजे बिजली चमके बादल गरजे
बादल गरजे बिजली चमके चमके बादल गरजे बिजली चमके बोलन लागे कोयलिया झूम झूम के बोलन लागे कोयलिया झूम झूम के बोलन लागे कोयलिया
बोलन लागी कोयलिया झूम झूम के बोलन लागी कोयलिया झूम